Who can make a better drink? Your favorite bartender or this robot replacement edging to put them out of work? I'm the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter there. Look out, bartenders. Robots are now after your jobs too. Meet KIME. It's a humanoid bartending dynamo designed to whip up food and mix drinks without ever taking a break. Order a beer, a fancy martini, just about any cocktail, or something as simple as a cup of coffee or a snack. KIME got you covered. Just how much better is this robot bartender over a human? It can serve 2 beers every 6 seconds. And all you have to do is plug it in and it's ready to go. It's designed to have realistic expressions and movements. You can order by app or by touchscreen at the kiosk in 10 different languages. It avoids unnecessary contact with food, won't spread germs, and is pollution-free. The KIME monitors the sales data and has online customer support and a built-in payment system. I'm still not sure how well it could make my martini that neighborhood bartender makes is such a work of art. More quick tips at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Click the little red button at cyberguy.com.